An important department has been created. Rural Development Agency जी असली ती Rural Development Department of Rural Development म्हणून तेका आयज अनाउन्स केल्लें आहा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान आनी कॅबिनेटाक ते पास जाल्लें आहा आनी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रुरल डेव्हलपमेंट सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम्स जे आहात DRDA चे अंडर नॉर्थ एंड DRDA चे अंडर साउथ ह्यो आमी सगल्यो सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम्स आर बींग गिवन टू द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. There is a creation of posts also in this department. I am very happy that a lot of people, especially village panchayats, will benefit out of this rural development department of rural development, where full-fledged people will be there. We will have our own engineers. We will have our own staff in the department. Now earlier we used to absorb staff from here, different departments like PWD and all, and do the works of the people. But now henceforth we are creating our own posts. We will have our independent people working, directly recruited by our department, and we can take up a lot of works. Once it is a department in Goa, government can give us any amount of money, transfer any amount of money to our department head in our account, and we can carry on development works. A lot of times panchayats, ward members have different requirements, like putting of interlocking pavers for footpaths. People have pathways to go to their house, and in the rainy season खूप थिंगा चिकोल बीन जाता. सो ती एरिया रेज करून सोलिंग PCC करून तेका सारके इंटरलॉकिंग पेवर्स घालपाक जाता. So this is a good department where a lot of footpaths can be built, a lot of small culverts can be taken up, different other works related to panchayats, where panchayats have limited funding, especially in rural Goa. Small shades can be built, for stages can be built, stage for the children to perform. आता ग्रामीण भागान भुरग्यांक हे स्टेजी आसना, धाकटुले एक हॉल कॅन बी बिल्ड for them. So all these works can be taken up.
Central government funding असतं.
Central government, we can bring in lot of funds. We have to prepare all the files, estimates, everything, and give it to central government, and they will give us funds. State government also will give us funds. So एकदा डिपार्टमेंट जालो, सो ही एकदम बरी गोष्ट आहा की आमच्या गोंयकारांक हेजो फायदो जातलो. आनी हांव तेजो मिनिस्टर आसल्यासान आमी आनीक ग्रामीण भागान भोंवतले. We will talk to the village panchayats, sarpanchas, members, secretaries, and tell them to send and give us the files. आदी जे खूब जाणांनी आमकां फायली दिल्ल्यो ते आमी इमिडिएटली आतां प्रोसेस करतले आनी तेंकां एलोकेशन ऑफ फंड्स घेतले स्टेटाचो, खंय खंय जाय जाल्यार आमी सेंट्रलाचो हाडटले. वी विल इमिडिएटली सी दॅट ऑल दीस वर्क्स वीच आर पेंडिंग इन द डिपार्टमेंट एंड न्यू वर्क्स वीच आमचे मेंबर्स जावं सरपंच मागता पळय तितले आमी सगळे तांकां करून दितले ह्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे.